going live. Hello, Ritesh. How are you? So, Ritesh, what did we do yesterday? Good evening. Okay, good evening. We did some operations and we were, format. Like we were learning about how to write expressions, how to do IO, printf, scanf, sorry, print and input from user into the programs, isn't it? We'll continue that discussion today also and try to conclude it. So, have a look at this program here. Good evening. If you look at this program, I'm going to continue from where I stopped yesterday. I'm just going to continue it further. If you look at this program here, I have used import keyword. Hmm? Import keyword. The import keyword is used to import a set of libraries. Just give me a moment. I'm going to open Jamboard for you. Is this a new Jamboard I opened? No, not this. Sorry. Choose from drive. Hmm. So import is the keyword that we are going to use in this program. So let me pull this up for some explanation here in the Jamboard. Now, if you look at this program carefully, the very first thing that you see here new is this import. Import is a keyword. This is a keyword. Okay, it is used to import set of libraries. Import a set of libraries called module, and the module that we import is nothing but these are set of libraries of a certain category. Categories like if you have mathematics, then all are math libraries. If you do graphics, then all are graphic libraries, like this. Now here I have imported system libraries. Sys means we imported system libraries. All system libraries we imported. From among so many system libraries that got imported, we are using a particular library. This is that particular library called platform. A particular library. Now, what we did import. From import sys, we imported a set of libraries. From those set of libraries, we chose a particular library called sys.platform. Platform is this library. This will tell you what is the current platform you're working on. Let me run this for you. It will tell you, show you what this platform is all about. It tells you Linux. We are running Linux is the platform. Okay. After that, now for the first time, we are encountering error. Okay, it says that this is the file name in which there is a line number 4, there is a problem. We are printing the value. Okay, the 2 to power 1 lakh. It says exceeds value 4300 digits. We print can print maximum 4300 digits, but this is printing more than 4300 digits, so it has gone out of range. The print that we have been using since yesterday to print something on the screen, that print can print maximum 4300 characters only. But when you raise 2 to power 1 lakh, it gives something more than 4300 characters. So let's make it small. 2 to power 100. I think this is also too much. Oh yeah, it is able to print. Look at the number it could print. You don't have any data type in C that can have that range, isn't it? So it prints the complete set of numbers. And then after that, look what did I do? I have SPAM blank space, 5 characters. SPAM blank space, 5 things. So these 5 things I have stored in a variable x, and then do x into 8. Means repeat whatever is in x. In x we have spam. Repeat it 8 times. That's the output. We are repeating it 8 times. Yes, Ritesh? Complete, it is not called library, it is set of libraries, and it is called module. So imported a complete set of libraries under sys. Platform is a particular library within sys. Yeah, collection of pre-compiled functions made ready for Python. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Test import sys. We imported all the libraries and print sys.executable. Watch. This is a very important statement. Well, user bin Python. Let's go there. cd/usr slash bin slash. There we are. Inside this, you'll find Python. Large number of files. lspy. There it is, Python 3. We have this Python 3. Let's vim it. Oh, it's ELF file, executable linkable file. This is what we are using right now, executable, which is taking care of all the Python related stuff. Okay, you want to know the Python version we are using? There is another way. Sys.version. There it is. Watch it carefully. The Python version we are using is 3.9.11, which was created on 11th April 24. Internally, it uses GCC 13.2 on Red Hat 13.2 system. So at the core in Python also you have GCC compiler, which is compiled, which has already pre-compiled everything and made it ready for you. You get that? So C is mother of all languages. That's right. Excuse me. Absolutely correct. Okay. The Python interpreter is built using C. Another interesting thing that I want to show you here is, watch this. I am going to import a set of libraries under datetime. The whole set of libraries, modules. Within datetime, see, I told you Python is both structured and OOPS language, isn't it? Import datetime is you're going to import the datetime libraries Now look at this. Date time is a set of libraries. Within that date time library, there is a class called date time. Within the date time class, there is a member function called now. I repeat, the date time set of libraries and classes in which there is a class object called date time. Within that class, there is a function called now. When this function now executes, it gives you current date and time in certain format. Okay, and that format you have to print str format time. Whatever time format is returned as an object of type date time, and you convert that object into string: year, month, day, hour, minute, second. Okay, watch when I run this. Well, current date and time is given. Mhm. Ekam, what time is it there at your place? Ah, it's giving your time. Did you see that? So we are configured to your time, right? So what was interesting in this is that there was a library called sys that we imported from operating system. This time we have imported library called date time from operating system, isn't it? Well, I think Akam will not be able to understand this. Am I right? Because import is like importing from where the rest of the people understand what is operating system. But Akam, are you able to understand what is import doing? It is importing from where? Hmm. So, what is the operating system you have on your computer right now? Is it like Windows, Macintosh, or Linux? Google Chrome is the browser using which you enter the internet. So, when you start your computer, what is the operating system? What icon do you see there? It must be Windows, I believe. It's Windows. So, Windows is the operating system from where your program will import certain stuff. Okay. So, I will take separate session for you and I'll explain you in the coming week. Okay. So, we are importing stuff sys last time, the system libraries which are used by the operating system. This time we are going to import all the libraries associated with date and time. Okay. Yes, Sandeep. Oh, Sandeep. No, 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 no. Switch on your video. You told me earlier also. Fix it as soon as Anil and Abhinandan. Please switch on your cameras. Abhinandan, Anil especially. Yes, tell me, Sandeep. See. Then Python, there are around 100 different such date times, is 100 approximately set of libraries. I'll tell you about all the libraries and I'll also provide a document for you for that, okay, which you will be able to use for now and forever. I'll put it in the discussion forum also. Okay, because of its dynamic nature, it keeps on changing almost every year. Every version of Linux makes it very different. So due to which nobody releases it. It's every time you by the time you finish it and release it, it is changed. So it is rendered obsolete. So I'll put it on the discussion forum so that everybody can keep on updating it every month. Here is one script. Look at this. Because I've added this, the path, This program is not executed as program, it is executed as script, in which I'm, press enter key to exit. When I run this I don't have to use python. I can simply do that dot slash done. Enter the key, enter. It's over. So this is how it works.